allow me to share a heartwarming occasion when I had the pleasure of spending quite some time with a delightful young child. This child, named Emily, was my neighbour's adorable 5-year-old daughter, full of innocence and curiosity. It was a sunny Saturday morning when I decided to take some time off from my busy schedule to connect with Emily. Knowing her parents had a prior commitment, I volunteered to babysit her for a few hours. I believed that spending time with a young child could be a refreshing break from the daily hustle, and I also wanted to help her parents out. During our time together, we engaged in a myriad of activities. We began by painting colourful masterpieces with watercolours, and it was a delight to witness Emily's creativity as she happily smeared the paper with her tiny hands. We then embarked on a thrilling adventure through the pages of children's storybooks, where we met enchanting characters and travelled to magical lands. We spent time outdoors too, exploring the nearby park. I pushed her on the swings, and we played games of tag, with her infectious laughter filling the air. I was amazed at her ability to find joy in the simplest of things, reminding me of the importance of embracing the present moment. The reason I spent time with Emily wasn't just to be kind, but to relive the carefree innocence of childhood myself. Amidst the responsibilities of adulthood, this experience allowed me to appreciate life's wonders through the eyes of a child, even if only for a little while. Words can hardly express the happiness that enveloped my heart that day. Watching Emily's eyes light up with excitement and witnessing her unbridled enthusiasm for life was truly heartwarming. It made me realize how valuable it is to connect with young minds, appreciating the purity and authenticity they bring into our lives. In conclusion, my time with Emily was a memorable occasion filled with joy, laughter, and a renewed appreciation for life's simple pleasures. It was a reminder that spending time with a young child not only impacts their world, but also brings a sense of fulfillment and happiness to our own hearts. Thank you.